Even when most of the cheap audio products are from China, here we have the Radzone ES100 MK2, which has been in the market for a while, but I just got it from Radzone a couple of weeks ago, and it is one of the best Bluetooth receivers in the market. It has two AK4375 chips, two chips, so that's a relief because AK4375 is not exactly a very good DAC chip, to be precise. The good thing is that the Ear Studio ES100 has balanced output, and you can use it with your PC, you can use it with your mobile phone as a DAC, use the Bluetooth too. So there are a lot of options here. It's a fantastic thing. 24-bit, world's first studio quality 24-bit audio receiver, and that's a thing. Radzone 24-bit ACC, aptX SD. This is very good, a very good thing, to be precise. Very good thing for those who do not have a 3.5 jack output in their mobile phones. This is supposed to be replacing the jack, both wired and wirelessly. Let's see what are the things we are getting. This is priced at around $100, but when they have sale, it retails for around $75. Yeah, nice feedback. The only problem here I can see is the micro USB port, or else this is perfectly fine. Nothing wrong in here. It's perfectly fine. You also get a cable. Come on. There is a micro USB cable to charge this, to connect it with other devices, I believe, but I do not think I need a cable like this, so I'll put it inside, and let's look at this. Let's turn it on. I think this is supposed to turn it on. Nice. So this is ready to be paired. Small thing, not very small, slightly smaller than the UP2, but that is more up to date with Type C port. I'll be comparing that with this. You can use your eyelet here to hang it, clip it to your clothes. This is the 3.5 and this is the balanced port. This is fairly good thing, a decent thing, to be precise. I'll be comparing it with the UP2 very soon, UP2 and if possible something else. Let's see. That's it in this video. Nothing exactly special, but just this unboxing. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.